Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I really want to try a DIY project and I want to compare the Sensational Gelvolution to the Beauty Nail Art nails that I got off Amazon. I'll link everything below. We're going to start with these, see how they do over the course of the week, and then I'm going to do these and see how they do over the course of the week, and I'll take you guys along with me and see how they both compare. Before we get started, guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing. I do videos like this all the time. And if you love fashion, hit me up on Instagram where I post my fashion daily, and I always tag everything I'm wearing. But enough of that, we're gonna get started with the nails, and I'm just gonna cut them because they're really gross right now. Cut them short so that they don't interfere with the press-on nail that I'm putting on top, and then we'll get started with pressing them on. I'm losing all my nails. Sorry. So now I'm just gonna file my nails quickly, just so, again, it's all smooth, no jagged edges. I don't know if you guys can see this, but some of my cuticles are not so good, but I think like once I put the press-on nails on, like it'll camouflage, it won't be as obvious. I've always wanted to try these and I never have. Oh, it comes with glue. So it comes with a little file. All the nails are, damn it. We're back with a wardrobe change. Okay, let's get started with these nails. They give you a bunch of different nails. I have really small nail beds. As you can see, even the smallest nail might be too big. Okay, so I'm gonna pick all the nails that I'll need. There are literally no instructions here. So we're just gonna wing it. I also don't know which way is necessarily the right way. Does it go like this? Or does it go like this? We'll find out, girl. We're just gonna wish for the best. How does this work? Oh, oops. We got it. Okay, one nail on. I think it's secure, but I guess we'll find out in due time. I pressed down for about like 5 seconds, and I'm hoping that's sufficient amount of time. 2 down. This is my first time, so please don't get upset if I'm doing it wrong. I'm learning. Feel free to leave me tips in the comments. I think it'll be fine. So I have one hand down, one to go. From afar, they look good. I think the shape is not amazing. They don't have enough options, so it's kind of just, it feels like it could pop right off. This nail, the middle finger, which I don't want to show you because I don't want you to think I'm flipping you off, is kind of really ugly. The shape of it just looks so big and like gross. Like, what is that? Something went wrong on this hand, but it's okay. Overall, like, I like the look of it. It's not perfect. We'll see how they hold up as the week goes on, and I'll keep you posted.
I just wanted to, I just really wanted to show you how you could see that there's a tiny little like pop. It's just like not completely flushed with the nail. So we'll see how they last. All right, so day 1, hour 3. Yeah. The second day, day 2, completely cracked. Chipped. In fairness though, they may have been meant to go the other way, but either way, I'm not so sure about the quality. I really can't take this. I need these nails off. It's, I guess, day 2, but like kind of day 1. I feel like I'm trapped with these nails. I had to get these off. They're all chipping. Wow. Was this worth it? So far, I'm gonna say no. So it's now day 3, and this is what's left. My other hand, I apologize about my horrible cuticles. My nails have suffered because of this. I don't know if they would have suffered if I just let them all naturally fall off, but once they were all slightly lifting, I had to peel them off. The last of the Mohicans, and my nails were in fabulous condition. Now it's just like, yikes. Okay, so now that I realized this was kind of a fail, I really want to do like a DIY nails. I've seen it done before really beautifully, and I think I could do it too. It's really cheap. Drugstore press-ons
I don't know, around like the $15 mark, give or take. And then like the DIY kit, I don't know, around the $20 mark, you get like a million nails in here. So the nails go really far and then the glue goes far. So you get like many acrylic nails. I'll try and link each exact product down below. These come with various different nail sizes. So I've already taken out my size nails. I'm gonna try and put these on with precision and hope they go on beautifully. So you can see my nails are still a little damaged from the previous set, but my cuticles, I really tried to moisturize them, oil them up, clean them up. So we're good. So first I'm gonna put on some Ahava cream. This is Intense Hand Moisturizing Cream and I really love it. It's a really good product. After my hands are moisturized, I'm gonna just put some alcohol on my nails because I think you're supposed to really make sure they're clean and dry and the glue really adheres to your nails better. I already cut all my nails off, so there's no excess nail and I'm ready to get started. I chose marshmallow as my color because if I'm gonna go long, I don't wanna have like some crazy bold color because like you can't go long and bold because that's when you get a little trashy, am I right? So I'm just gonna put enough glue that it doesn't pool around the cuticle. I love the shape of these nails. It's coffin shape and I think it's just like the most perfect, beautiful shape. So I'm just pressing. So there are instructions. Clean nails with acetone-based polish remover. Oops, I used alcohol. Okay. Apply glue to free edge of nail. Place tip onto nail and press firmly. Feels like that's on. Okay, we're gonna move to the next nail. Press firmly. Will you sing something for us, Marina?
I thought I was going on a date with a gay girl, but she turned out straight.
Good one. How wonderful life is while Marina's in this world.
Aww!
I know, I'm so
That was so cute.
Okay, so one hand filed. So far, compared to these, I'm like very happy. First of all, with the shape. The shape is beautiful, but we'll see how the quality compares. So now that we got these nails glued on, I'm gonna start the polishing process. And again, because I'm a lefty, I'm gonna polish my left hand first with my right hand because I kind of want to get it over with. I'll just be a little more careful and then I'll get to relax a little more when I'm doing my right hand. Okay, so I'm on my top coat. I'm using OPI top coat. I did 2 coats of the SC Marshmallow and then I'm done. And I'm really happy with how they look so far, I gotta say. We dry it again. Okay, we're done. I'm done. I'm really actually happy with the way that these look. In comparison to the drugstore press-ons, just the way they look, the shape, the precision in terms of shape to nail bed, much better suited for my nails because there's so many more options. We'll see how the quality is. I hope I glued them down well enough, but I'll keep you posted. So far, so good. Hey guys, so it is day 4 and I have lost both of my thumbnails, but they actually came off on day 2. I'm really loving them. I love the way they look. The actual finish of the nails is getting a little dingy and like a little chippy, but the actual nail is totally perfect and fine. It feels really stuck on still. Yeah, just an update. Again, day 4. So, you know, so far I'm like really digging these nails. I gotta tell you, not bad at all. Good morning, guys. We're day 5, so I'm just having my morning coffee. I feel like these are never coming off. They're really stuck on. I still love them and I'm happy with them. I do love them. It's difficult to do things with them. It's hard to edit my videos. It's hard to type and do certain things because I don't usually have nails quite this long. This is crazy. I wonder how long they'll last. I wonder why the thumbs came off in a day and these are so strongly on. I've even washed my hair with them. I've washed my kids' hair. They're just still stuck right on. So, I mean, pretty good. We're at bingo. Day 6. These nails are still locked and loaded. Locked and loaded. So here's the deal. I think I'm like day 9 at this point. This entire time I've had all my nails on except for the thumbs, which you saw. The only reason that I never put the thumbs back on
is because I thought like every day one more nail would fall off, but that hasn't been the case. Every single nail has stayed on. Last night I wiggled off this one and these two because I kind of got to start getting them off. And when I started wiggling them, I felt like they'd come off with ease. These ones I don't want to rip off. They're not ready to come off. And same with these. I might literally at this point have to soak them in acetone to get the nails off. But the only reason why I wanted to get them off is just because I feel like they need a refreshing. But other than that, they've been really great. I've been really happy with them. And I would most definitely do these nails again with all the products used here because they really do last. All right, you guys, I got all the nails off finally. I just kept wiggling them off and they actually came off with ease today. As you can see, my nails are a little rough from the glue and just from the nails peeling off, but they're not that bad. They're not half as bad as they were with the drugstore press-ons. I would do it again when I have time to commit to it and just kind of like leave them on. It was a totally good experience and now I'm ready to go back to my regular nail routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed, watching the difference between these two products. As always, guys, I'll be back in a couple of days with another really great video and I can't wait to see you. Bye for now. Mwah.